Welcome to the Windows Club. A very common and a very dreaded issue is that the Windows modules installer worker service causes high CPU usage or disk usage in Windows 10, and this freezes the computer and hangs the computer, and there's nothing that you can do further at times. So what should you do in such a situation? Now, there is no doubt that the Windows modules installer worker service will consume a lot of CPU and disk resources, and it will do so for a while. But if it makes your work uncomfortable, then you can do the following workaround. Press the Windows key and the R button to open the run window. Type the command services.msc. Hit enter. This will open the Service Manager window, which is arranged in alphabetical order. So scroll down to the Windows Module Installer Service. You'll find it here. Right click on it, select Properties. Change the startup type to Manual. Click on Start and Apply and then OK. Now this is when you have to run the Windows Module or Installer Service and you're not doing anything else. But just in case you're working on something, right click on it and select stop. So I'll tell you what you basically did. You stopped the Windows module installer service, or you can start it when you're not doing anything else, because this is associated with Windows updates, and now you have changed the process from automatic to manual, so everything is in your control. You can do a similar thing with the Windows update service to make your job easier. Right click on the Windows Update Service, select Properties, make the startup type Manual, click on Apply and then on OK. And whenever you wish to run the Windows updates, simply start this service by right clicking on it and perform the updates, and once you're done, just switch it off. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.